This Coldwell Banker SSK, Realtors property video is presented by Roxana Shepley. Full brick, open floor plan 1-level home on almost half-acre lot, 4 beds, 3 full baths, 2 dining areas, coffered ceiling and electric fireplace in greatroom. Carpet in bedrooms only, engineered hardwood flooring in foyer, dining, greatroom and kitchen, tile in baths and laundry, granite counters throughout, all baths have double vanity. Lovely game day back porch west/wood burning fireplace and a full yard sprinkler system with a privacy fenced backyard big enough to entertain, throw the football and play. For more information, review the details below or contact Roxana Shepley at 478-953-8595.